standing beside you?
This is the vowel I. Vowel I has a short sound and a long sound. But I don't know either of the sounds.
Okay, now listen to the short sound of I. The short sound of I is E, like the E in igloo. The short sound of I is E, like the E in inkpot. The short sound of I is E, like the E in fish or the E in dish. The short sound of I is E. E, 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 E.
That was a fun song. And now I know the short sound of I too. The short sound of I is E.
Now all of you have to say some words that have the short sound of I in them.
The I in invitation is the short sound of I. India has the short sound of I in it.
Pig and zip also have the short I sound.
I know one. King. The word king has the short I sound.
Perfect! All these words have the short sound of I.
We know the short sound of I. I wonder what the long sound of I is.
Listen carefully to the long sound of I. The long sound of I is I, like the I in ice. The long sound of I is I, like the I in island. The long sound of I is I, like the I in kite or the I in dice. The long sound of I is I.
Chimpu, stop dancing. The song is over.
Okay.
Do you all know any words that have the long sound of I?
The I in ice cream is the long sound of I.
The I in the icicle is the long sound of I.
Iron has the long sound of I in it. Dime and bike also have the long sound of I in them.
Correct! All these words have the long sound of I.